Hey, morning, everyone. I'm continuing. I'm on a 3-day streak of doing algorithms every day. I'm doing a 100 algorithm challenge where I try to do what my goal is by the end of the year, try to get myself as prepared as possible for coding interviews, coding tests, um, just coding in general, just get myself better. Today is day 13. I don't know exactly how many algorithms I did. I'm honestly probably gonna do 100 plus. I'm around like 20, but I don't really count it. I'm kind of doing it by days now. Uh, what I like to do is I like to do code wars in the beginning because I just like how it works. Then I kind of switch over to the actual 100 algorithm challenge. It's a repo that I'm following, and you'll probably see it when you watch the video. I usually do code wars. Code wars is going to be it's not going to take me too long. Um, and then I recently started switching to HackerRank, so I'm probably gonna do JavaScript with Code Wars and TypeScript um with the 100 algorithm challenge algorithms, and then I'll do TypeScript because they kind of have like an interview preparation section. So I'm gonna do that. So I've been doing. I definitely feel like improving. I had a coding test yesterday. The only thing about the coding test was almost. It was actually like 13 multiple choice and like one actual coding programming question. But the programming question was something that I have to get better with. It's anything with data structures. Data structures. I don't come from a computer science background, so that's a little harder for me. So I have to kind of pick that up. But I'm gonna pick that up in the next. It was like what I had to do was a linked list, which isn't hard, and I actually know how to do it. But it was a little harder for me. But stuff like that I have to pick up. So I'm probably gonna try to every week do a different type of data structure, keep improving in that, seeing where I'm at, and just keep getting better. And yeah, for let's see where we're at. Let's see where we're at next year. And what my goal is to be as prepared as possible to find a job by next year, because right now I have a lot of time to do this, but next year I won't have as much time. And when next year starts, it's going to be a good time to get hired. Usually January, February, March is a good time to get hired. A lot of people hire. Anyway, so I'm gonna get started. If you guys have any questions, if you're starting programming or web design or web development, you could just ask me questions, or if you have suggestions for me too. So I've been doing websites and web design for 5 years. I mainly do JavaScript and React. I know PHP and WordPress, so actually I know them both. Um, this month I'm focusing on JavaScript and React, TypeScript. What else am I focusing on? Stuff like that. Redux. Let's see. Basically anything that I have to know to get a job or anything that I like. I'm working on a Pokemon API, and I'll probably do that after this. Anyway, so I'm in 5Q. So no. This is Code Wars. I think I just have one more problem and I get to 5Q. And with Code Wars, my goal is by next year to get to 4Q, which is a different level, a different color. So it's a different, and using the documentation, they say 4Q, you're kind of competent. So I kind of like that. So I'm going to do this. Also, if anyone, yeah, it's like before, like I was saying, if you're studying web development, if you just look at my description, I have a lot of good information and resources. They're affiliate links, so if you click them through me, I get a small percentage, but you don't have to. Just helps me out a little bit. But you don't even have to. I just suggest looking at them. If you want to go to Barnes and Nobles or whatever, anything that you want to do. So okay, so let's start. Okay, JavaScript. So I like to start with beginner problems, but honestly, I'm almost done with all AQ problems. No, not all AQ that I see, that I find that I'll get like value from. So let's see. I am gonna do. Let's see. And I actually don't type this in Code Wars, but I type it in VS Code. But I kind of have an extension and a plugin that I use that helps me do that. Okay, let me I might start off with I might do contamination string. That one isn't bad. I should have probably just started that one just to start something. Yeah, I'm just gonna start that one. Wherever that one was. That one probably could get me to 5Q. Okay, this is kind of taking me it's taking me a long time this way. So let's see, fundamentals maybe. Oh no, that's not what I want. Go back. This is contamination. Let's do that one. Train. Okay. So what I do here, so this is Code Wars, but what I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to how do I get that? I'm going to be, where is it? I'm going to be, oh, how did I get that to, there we go. So I'm going to be typing into VS Code, and the way I do that is, so I'm going to start Ghost Text. So if you have VS Code, it's just a plugin that you install. So now that I have Ghost Text, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Code Wars, and it doesn't just work for Code Wars. It works for any text. You could basically any text that you wanna any text. What is it called? Text area. So I click the text area. Now I go back. So let me make this bigger. Let me go back to. So this is. So it's here. The only thing is, for some reason, the glitch for me, and the way I fix the glitch is kind of switching to this file and then going back. So now that I go here, let me switch it to JavaScript, and this is VS Code, and I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm going to, so if you want to see, it's in here. And I'll probably keep it on Code Wars, but I'm actually typing in VS Code. So let me check something. So, so this is their test. I'm just going to, let's see. So Control F, replace with nothing. Let me just. So what I'm doing here is, okay. So there's another thing that I like to install. It's called Quokka, and what Quokka does, it's gonna run everything in this file. So the way I do that, that's another extension. So I have Okay, Quokka, start on current file. So I have Quokka. Let's see. So, do I have a problem? Expected. Okay. Is that what I wanted? So, I have that, and I recently started using Turbo console log. So I go here, and if I type in, that's another what's it called? Extension. So right here. So let's see. So let's see output. So you see here how I have outputs, and output's just everything that I have here. So text, text char A B C Z. Okay. So we're ready to get started. We're ready to get started. So let me switch you back over to Code Wars. Let me read it. Let me read this a little better. Okay. And today I'm probably gonna do this until maybe for like an hour. If I do 3 algorithms, that's kind of good. I don't know if I'll count this one, but an AI has infected a text with a character. This text is now fully mutated to this character. Okay. If the text or the character are empty, return an empty string. So if the text let me see. So probably could start with that. Let's see. So to get rid of this, if you're using VS Code and if you're using Turbo console log, all I have to do is Alt Shift D gets rid of my console log. Okay. So text character contamination. Okay. So if the text or the character okay. If text or char so if text or characters, I don't know if it's actually null. So if text or character, okay. So I think it's if it's just empty. So if it's just empty string, okay. So if okay, so return okay. No, the character is a string of length 1 or an empty string. Mm. Okay. Format. So what do I have to do? An AI has infected a text with a character. Okay. This text is now fully mutated to this character. Okay. Oh, okay. the text. If the text or character is empty string, equals empty string, return an empty string. Else, um, what does this mean? Let me console.log text.length. I just want to test something. Text.length 0. Let me see something. Text dot length. Let's see. Console log this. I don't need this. Okay. If text or okay. Log text.length. Why is it just 0? Text.length equals 0. Console log text.length. That doesn't make sense. Return if text. Z. Let me just return text length. Console.log. Let me check something really quick. JavaScript or operator. Or is 2, yeah. Okay. Let's go back. So, okay. Console log text. If text or 0. Oh, I think no. This equals okay. Equals an empty string console.log text length. Why is that? With text. Okay, let me check this. Let's console log this too. Okay. Text. Let me see. Text that length. 0. Text char that length. Okay. I'm gonna do this text that length. Text that length. Equals 0. Why does it only do 1? Contamination. Else. What is my contamination text chart? 1. Text on length else if text on length else console log text dot length. If it's this, else console log. So the reason I'm stuck is because it doesn't seem to be running my text dot length. Let me see if I did something wrong. Checked inner function. Chart. If text dot length. Why does it only do that one? If okay. Moving on. Else else log text. Okay, what does this show me? That's no. So let's not confuse it. So it's not Why is it not going here? Remove redundant else if else if. Console.log text. Mm. Uh. I think I'm probably having a problem here. Yeah, it's probably this is what I'm probably having a problem with. There we go. Yeah, that was my problem. So I have to put two separate ones. But I think there's a way to do it with one, but I'm not sure. So now it's constantly that log. Okay, now it's working. Okay, so that was my problem. Okay. So, let's do. Okay. Let me find JavaScript replace. That's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna replace the string. JavaScript replace string replace. Or no. How to replace all occurrences. Okay. Or actually, JavaScript repeat. No. JavaScript new char new char new JavaScript char JavaScript repeating string JavaScript same character. Create string with same character. Okay. So I could do this. So to get my new string, so let's return char dot repeat and the number of times that we're going to repeat it is by text dot length. Okay, so that should work. let me console log it. Let's console log this really quick. Yep. It seems like it works. Can I make this easier? If else, let's see if redundant else. Okay. Let me remove Alt Shift D. Let's get rid of this and let's just format it one more time. And I'm gonna submit it, and I think I should be 5Q now. Okay, so I learned a little thing with this. That's good. Run sample test. Okay. Attempt. And I'm pretty sure I'll be 5Q. Hopefully, maybe. Oh no, I still have a tiny bit left. Submit final. I really don't wanna. Okay, yeah, that's exactly what I did, so that's good. I think the repeat's better, because I think the repeat gives you like a new string. Oh, actually, I didn't even need my if. That's interesting. So all I had to do was one function. That's interesting. Okay, let's see where I'm at with Code Wars. So I am at the smallest percentage. The smallest percentage. What is this? Oh, this is React. Okay. And I'm probably gonna stop here. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna just eat something. I'm gonna eat something, come back, and then I'll do part 2 of this.